All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel for another video. It is raining, it's cold. It's not raining at this exact moment, but it is cold out. So today I got the hood popped up right here for the 4Runner. I'm letting it run. I picked it up yesterday. I kind of just wanted to go over a few things here. Just a few common repairs that you're going to make on these overland or these rigs or 4Runners, whatever you want to call it. I've heard so many names yesterday when I picked this one up. Just people calling it, saying like nice overlander, nice like overland build, nice rig, nice 4Runner, all of the above. It is all of the above. So I picked it up yesterday. Right here, as you can see, this valve cover, the passenger side, a lot of these 4Runners, probably Tacomas too. I don't know much about the Sequoia or the early Tundras. They're gonna have oil leaks right at the gasket. The valve cover gaskets always need to be replaced. It's one of the most recommended maintenance things that you always got to tackle, besides like the timing belt and all that stuff. So as you can see, this one was already done 2 years ago when I first got the 4Runner, but the shop that I took it to only did this side, the driver's side. They said the passenger side was good, that these bolts just come loose over time, so they tighten those bolts. And I didn't really know much about the Toyota game or too much into the whole 4Runner platform. So they went ahead and replaced the driver's side. They said that one was cracked. That's why it was leaking. It's the only common issue that I've had with this 4Runner since I've owned it too. But so I took it to Ironwood Automotive. Shout out to them. They're the ones that do pretty much all the work besides car toys on the 4Runner, unless it's something that, I have time or I have the tools to do myself. So they went ahead and just replaced both valve cover gaskets. I've been keeping an eye on it since then. I haven't noticed any leaks. They went ahead and sprayed a little degreaser, cleaned it up some. Obviously, it's not going to look show car ready or anything like that. Not that I care. It's a daily driver, so let's be honest. But still looks pretty clean for 2002 Toyota 4Runner. So if you're curious, I got these lights from SRQ Fabrications. If you're ever overlanding or anything like that, it's probably kind of important to have if something were to go wrong. So went ahead and fixed that. Give you a little walk around. If you're new to the channel, don't mind the mess, but just got these installed. I really need LED lights for the map lights there, or center light. So I got these heated Corbo seats. These are the Trailcat seats. I've had them for a couple weeks now. Tremendous upgrade versus what I had on there. If you're worried, I'm 6'2", so if you're worried about the seat rails that they provide, will make if you're too tall already, will make you hit it'll raise you up a little bit. You don't have to worry about that. I think they probably are like the same height, so that was really nice. So kind of just walking around, showing you guys the 4Runner. I need to take these badges off, that Haley one especially. Yeah, like I said, the real common issue with these is, just the oil leaks that these things have kind of sometimes. The valve cover gasket being probably the main one. I'm sure there's a couple others. I don't know if there's like a rear main seal or something that leaks. The lower ball joints is a big one too. I should have showed while under the hood, but if you saw the aluminum radiator that I have, I went ahead and got that instead of the plastic one, because those become something just over time that you want to change out as well. Once it gets a little discoloration, like a greenish brown tint, I think, or like maybe a pink or something, because the transmission cooler and the radiator are somehow connected. I still don't know everything about this platform, but that's something to look out for. The lower ball joints, obviously, I had those replaced when I had the entire lift kit done. So if you buy one of these and you don't know the last time that the lower ball joints were changed out, definitely do it. And try to keep it factory OE. The Toyota ones, don't go buy like the Moog or Napa or AutoZone or something like that. Stick with the manufacturer, or I think it's like Denso, I guess, or the OE ones that Toyota has, because they're the ones that have the less failure rate, the ones that hold up, because these did suffer from that. The other thing to look for is really just rust of these frames. It is cold out right now, so like a lot of these vehicles, people, if they don't do anything like I have done with mine, and they have a 4Runner that they want to get rid of in the springtime or something like that, come into summer, and it's something that's like, I guess one that's like in New York, Pennsylvania, or maybe, out in the Midwest or something where it snows a lot of salt, it's going to eat up the frame. A lot of the Tahoes, like mine, even has that issue. Not real bad on the frame, but the body itself. But these, it could be perfectly sound on the body. It looks super clean, but the frame is just rotted to shit. So that's one thing to look out for. So always make sure you do the maintenance on these. Like I said, the valve cover gaskets is something, the timing belt cover, all that good stuff, lower ball joints, radiator, and just check to see if they have rust on it. So yeah, guys, this is a little update right there for you. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, this is my 02 4Runner. I got it when it was all stock, and now, yeah, it's kind of what it is now. So there you go, guys. Just want to give you guys a little update and kind of just what I went through yesterday. So nothing too bad, just want to make this thing last as long as possible, and I know it will. So reliability there for Toyota. Anyways, I'll catch you on the next video. Have a good one.